In this problem we have an example where we have a right triangle. The hypotenuse is 5 meters, one side is labeled as A, and A is adjacent to the angle 35 degrees. Our goal in this problem is to find the length of side A. Once again, I encourage you to pause the video, then come back and look at my solution and see if it matches yours. Now, since I'm trying to find the side of a triangle, I want to use a trig function rather than an inverse trig function. And since A is adjacent to the angle provided, and I have the hypotenuse, that tells me I want to use cosine. Should always associate cosine with adjacent. So I'm going to say the cosine of an angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, the cosine of 35 degrees is equal to A over 5 meters. So I'm going to multiply 5 to both sides so that I get the cosine of 35 degrees times 5 meters is equal to A. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 4.1 meters.